Hi, I'm Stefan Brosick, and welcome to Construction Forums. We're a successful and growing industrial manufacturer that proudly serves our customers around the world. For more than 50 years, CFI has called the lakeside community of Port Washington, Wisconsin, home. CFI provides a complete portfolio of pipeline solutions and mission-critical applications. We like to say we are born from pipe.
We engineer and manufacture boom kits and laydown systems for concrete piping. In addition, we offer valves, couplings, equipment, and corrosion-resistant solutions for the most challenging applications.
We live by a people-first philosophy, and that begins with our leadership team. We have a passion for building winning teams. We do that by listening to people and developing their skills so they can build a career at Conforms. CFI's compensation and benefits reflect our commitment to investing in the futures of our team members.
We have established a culture where you can grow your career, and we are always seeking top talent.
Come be part of our global team and join our family and have the opportunity to support your family.
We can't wait to see where your ambitions take you.